Hey guys, a short update on the price of Bitcoin. Well, actually, I thought that we will go up from here. In fact, we tested this area several times, and we kind of getting chance like attempting going higher from here, almost like an ascending triangle. But today there was some news about the outflows from Ethereum ETFs, and Ether dropped like this, like 5% in a minute. Actually, if you look at the 1 minute candle, then you'd see this beauty, this kind of that's pretty cool, right? So it dragged Bitcoin, but it actually went pretty much the same as S&P 500, right? This is the pre-market, and it didn't drop that much. I wouldn't say drop much, but still, well, with respect to the previous volatility, it was kind of drop, and apparently this is the same reasons for the decline as with Bitcoin. So we have a little bit lower price, and I would expect that soon S&P will be trading and we'll get a little lower from here, and potentially we will be see a little bit more of bearish price action with that from now on. So my idea was that if we're not able to go higher from here, right, then we have a support around 84,000, and this is the like this area, like top area from this descending channel. So potentially, and also you can look at the Bollinger Bands for the daily time frame. It's also the area for the middle of the Bollinger Bands right here, which is the moving average of the 20 moving average. It's pretty much everything merged at this point. So I would say 84 is the nice educated guess for the point where we should expect this drop to be over. However, we actually see the breakout from this ascending channel, which is not a great thing. Yet it's maybe not the most important part here. So it's still like support is still there. But my point is, if S&P 500 continues to go lower, and we'll see at least maybe 5,575 or something, maybe 80, then it is definitely Bitcoin goes to something that potentially lower than 76K. But in fact, it has even chance to go in lower than there, lower than this low. And then the new low for BTC is like imminent, right? So we'll make the lower low potentially within 65 to 75 area, and that would be the bullish divergence, daily bullish divergence, which is doubled. And that would be pretty much the point where I always buy. In most cases, 90% cases, it plays out like this. Maybe a little drop, but still eventually plays out. And I think that if it happens, it's actually pretty good. It gives you a lot of confidence for this trade. But if not, then even 84 looks pretty decent. Even like 985, and I kept trying to open the longs on the futures contracts here, but some of them work, some of them don't. But I try to play this like this price volatility here as well. But well, still spot is more reliable. So again, 84,000, if good, if yes, good. If not, then I'll try to buy here as well. Buy more than I will do at 84. But yeah, even in a short time frame, I'd say that it's not that bad. We see some kind of a potential slowdown, and maybe we can get up from here. So nobody knows actually, but still, it's mostly price driven, also news driven, and nothing really crazy or devastating is happening. Also, I should point out that there was multiple tests of this level, like 1, 2, and 3, and then after the pullback we need to go 4th. So apparently it was the breakout point, and it happened indeed. So there's no surprise. However, it could be just the point of the false breakout, and then we'll see like this, and then we'll go like that. So it's just a normal case, normal situation for BTC. Again, if you zoom out, that it's not a big deal. It's just, you know, just a blip, small blip. Eventually we'll see like a high point, and then we have a correction, and then we can continue to go up from here. So that's the whole idea. I hope that it makes sense, and it helps with something. Maybe to some of you it makes some value. That's why I'm making those videos. And yeah, I will make another update on Monday next week, because it's Friday already, and I keep you updated on Telegram and Twitter if anything interesting or important happens. And until then, I wish you a great weekend and have fun, enjoy, forget about the charts. It's not time for thinking about the cryptocurrencies, it's time about thinking about your loved ones. So have a great weekend, and see you next time on Monday in the next video. Goodbye.